Hey guys, it is me, Michaela. Today you guys can't really see me, but today we're going to making some cool slime. All you're gonna need for this slime is some soap and some cornstarch. Yeah. So just take your stuff, and you're also gonna need some dish soap. So let me go grab that. So I'm using Dial and Tax or whatever, and add a little bit of this stuff because it's kind of very sudsy, and then I added just a few pumps of the Dial, and then dump in a little bit of cornstarch, and then you'll start getting this cool, like, quick sliming stuff. So when you first put in the cornstarch, it's going to start coming together like slime. This isn't like slime that you really... It would probably take a lot of cornstarch for this, the way... Yeah. There's a lot of ways to make slime. I feel like this is one of the easiest. Because I don't want to go get some freaking Elmer's glue. Go buy some Clear's Elmer's glue. And it has to be a specific kind of Elmer's glue. It has to be like, it's just too much. Yes. So, if I just do this, it makes a slime. And you don't have to put it in an airtight container. I mean, you might want to remake it every, usual few months. So, my brother's playing Bop It. I'll be right back. If you think so, add a little bit more just soap, and I'm gonna add some food coloring. A drop of food coloring, too.
What is the one with those like other things that says like sing it?
So be right back, guys.
Selfie it.
Okay, so I did a few squirts of a certain.
What are the ones with like the hammer it, the selfie it, the comb it? What mode is that?
I don't know. I think it's action.
Action? Thank you.
So I just am adding some more food coloring. This is what I'm cleaning.
I just whipped it. I whipped it and it felt like I'm golfing.
See how it's kind of like it's runny and like cool. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Peace, guys. Stay awesome.